Hi, I am Selva. I am explain to supplier relationship strategy TATA Steel. SRM objective and logic. Introduction. Introduce the presentation of supplier relationship strategy for TATA Steel. The central argument TATA Steel should not manage supply only through price pressure because steel making is capital intensive and exposed distribution. Supplier relationship must improve relationship sustainability and innovation long-term value. Tata Steel business context. Tata Steel is a global steel uh, producer with large Indian, European, and downstream operations. The 2024 and 25 report highlight consolidated revenue of 2018 lakhs and active supplier base above 15,400 and extensive raw material handling. The scale means procurement decision affect cost competitive. Procurement continually customer service and declarations outcome overall. The next one, procurement needs across the steel value chain. The company procedure iron or alloys, energy logistics and engineering service, digital systems, maintenance spares and scraps. Some input are captive and many market exposed. Good SRM should strategy supply, security, routing by and connect supply decision and protection. Quality, ESG and cash flow goals effective. Why supply relationship matter in steel? In steel, supplier failure can blast furnace, delay customer risk cost, or damage reputations. Tata Steel move huge raw material finish in good volumes through ports, rail, and stockyards, and strong relation give early warning, faster recovery. The technical problem solving share investment in lower carbon materials. Logistics and technology improvements. Next one, supplier segmentations. The useful because of the Tata Steel buys both high risk strategic input and low risk transition items. Cooking goal and critical spares, technology partners, and supplier needs partnership. Office supplies, simple consumers need effective competition. This avoid over managing simple items. Why? Entire managing supplier good distribute without warning. Supplier selection scorecard. Supplier selection should use a weighted scorecard, not only lowest price. Recommended weighting or 20% quality, 20% delivery and residence, 20% ESG complaints, 20% innovation capability, 10% of financial stability, 10% of strategic supplies. Therefore, scores in site audit should be mandatory before contract or the renewal decision strategy. Raw material and critical input strategy. Raw material security remains central to Tata Steel cost position. Captive iron ore helps, but cooking gold, alloys, and the imported equipment remain exposed to price and the geopolitical risk. The SRM strategy should combine hitting alternative geographic locations, supply development, and long-term offtake agreement for cited critical input reliability. Responsible supply chain design, fair business, health, safety, human rights, and environment. Responsible sourcing should be embedded supply selection and performance reviews. The data still requires supply flow, responsible supply chain policy covering fair business practices and health and safety, human rights, and environmental protections. The strategy should convert the principle of contract clauses, ongoing checks, trainings, and auditing improvement plan, risk map, and mitigation plan. The main risk are supply interruption, logistics connections, supply ESG failure, cyber distribution quality, defective financial weakness. Mitigation should include the dual sourcing, buffer stocks, and a critical spares, supplies financing monitoring, cyber clauses, forced majority, protocols, sustainable audits, scenario planning to join recovery exercise with key partners. Supplier performance management dashboard. A practical score should track cost savings, on-time delivery, defect rates, safety incident, audit majority, CO2 data quality, innovation proposals, contract complaints and responsible rate, amber and green discord make a performance visible. Quarterly business research should convert scores, improvement actions, supplier awards, corrective plans, control exit fair transformation. Implementation roadmap and final recommendations. The final recommendation is a second SRM module partner deeply with critical supplies. Complete routine spent develop a local capable supplies and product operation through risk contracts. This approach the Tata Steel scale procurement companies net zero transition supporting and efficiency. Sustainable to the long-term commercial value creation success. That's it. Thank you.